Hello friends, today's video regarding Samsung's Galaxy A55. The Galaxy A55 demonstrates that, while Samsung saves its best features and technologies for the more expensive Galaxy S series, its mid-range devices can feel just as luxurious. The A55, the brand's most opulent A-series phone to date, is a welcome step up from its predecessors. In some ways, the Galaxy A55 is Samsung's most luxurious mid-range smartphone to date. It is the company's most recent offering, promising a flagship-level experience without the flagship-level price tag. The Galaxy A55's metal frame, like that of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, is completely flat, with no curves around the display or back panel edges. However, you will not notice or feel any rough edges, and using it one- or two-handed will be comfortable. The A55, like the Galaxy A54 from the previous year, has a design that is nearly identical to the high-end S-series Galaxy S24. This time, Samsung has added a brushed aluminium frame and a glossy back to the A55, giving it a slightly more upscale appearance and possibly increased durability against warping and cracking. The A55, which features Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back, represents yet another step towards premium materials in this price range. It also has what Samsung calls a key island, which is an elevated area of the right side rail that makes it slightly easier to find the power and volume buttons in low light. The A55 has a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED 120Hz screen, which is noticeably larger than the A54's 6.4-inch screen and significantly larger than the Galaxy S24's 6.2-inch screen. The bezels could have been a little smaller, but they are still quite large. The only difference between the A55 and A54 display specifications is size. It's a Super AMOLED panel with HDR10+ support, a 120Hz refresh rate, a maximum brightness rating of 1000 nits, and a 1080 by 2340 resolution. The optical fingerprint reader on the A55 is built into the display and works exactly like it did on the Galaxy A54. Though not as fast as the ultrasonic sensors on flagship Galaxy phones, it is reasonably accurate and responsive. In addition to dual SIM support, the A-series introduces eSIM technology. This allows you to use two SIM cards simultaneously and switch between them as needed. This is especially useful for people who travel or want to use separate SIM cards for personal and business purposes. In terms of feature enhancements, the Galaxy A55 is very similar to the A54 from last year. The introduction of Samsung Knox Vault, a security platform designed to protect private information such as passwords and PINs in isolated areas of the device, is the product's most notable feature. The stereo loudspeaker setup is adequate for the occasional game or movie, but it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack. The bass is a little light, and at high volume, it occasionally sounds like it's on the verge of distortion. Like the previous generation, the A55 comes pre-installed with Android 14 and One UI 6.1. It will also receive security patches and Android updates over the next 5 years. Although not shocking, this is disappointing in comparison to Google and Samsung's flagship smartphones, which receive 7 years of updates. The Galaxy A55 and A54 have identical camera hardware, including a 50MP primary rear camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, a 5MP macro camera, and a 32MP front-facing camera. Samsung has improved nightography and added several new features and improvements to capture clearer nighttime photos, such as dual recording, a 2-micron pixel sensor, a night portrait mode, and other enhancements. The Galaxy A55 5G also includes a number of AI features that will help you take better photos and videos. The most notable is Edit Suggest, which allows you to take a picture, swipe up, and the AI will analyze it and recommend changes such as removing shadows, reflections, or objects. The Samsung Exynos 1480 chipset, which powers the Galaxy A55, is slightly more powerful than the Exynos 1380 found in the Galaxy A54 from the previous year, allowing daily operations to run more smoothly. The Galaxy A55 offers a wide range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6 and 5G. The phone has a hybrid SIM tray that can accommodate one SIM card, one microSD card, or two physical SIM cards. Fortunately, the phone supports eSIM in many markets, allowing you to use external storage and two mobile networks simultaneously. The Galaxy A55 uses the same 5000 mAh battery as the A54, so there is no improvement. The A55 only supports 25W wire charging. First and foremost, because wireless charging is not available, a phone must always be charged with a cable rather than placed on a charging pad. This may be inconvenient for drivers of vehicles equipped with wireless charging pads. Otherwise, a charging cable will be required. However, it retains NFC, allowing users to access credit cards stored in either the Samsung Wallet or Google Wallet by simply tapping and going. The new Galaxy A55 5G costs $699 and is available in two colors, Awesome Navy and Awesome Lilac. The sale date is March 25th. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G smartphone demonstrates that you don't have to spend a lot of money to own a stylish, feature-rich phone. The A55 has it all: a stunning display, an excellent camera, a long-lasting battery, and a fantastic design. What more could you want for this price? I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10.